Welcome to Arth, your one-stop solution for all digital construction technological needs. We harness the power of cutting-edge technology to revolutionize the construction industry. From the high-speed rail to high-rise residential projects, our portfolio showcases our ability to deliver excellence and innovation in every project. We have worked with India's largest real estate developers, delivering world-class services. Our prestigious projects include the world's largest PPVC residential building, multiple metro rail, commercial, healthcare, and recreational building projects in Singapore. In India, our projects include Mopa Airport, ASBL, Aparna, L&T Reality, K Raheja Corp., highlighting our diverse capabilities. At Arth, we integrate state-of-the-art BIM and AR/VR technologies with our advanced virtual design and construction (VDC) services to ensure precision, efficiency, and superior project outcomes. Our comprehensive approach enhances visualization and coordination while reducing project risks, conflicts, and rework. This leads to significant cost savings and smooth construction processes. Additionally, our services improve scheduling by integrating timelines across all project phases, ensuring timely completion and enabling better decision-making. With AI-driven construction monitoring and digital fabrication, we enhance productivity, safety, and quality. These technologies enable us to deliver projects faster and more accurately. One of our latest innovations is the web-based construction analytics solution, which centralizes data from various sources into a single real-time dashboard, enhancing your ability to monitor and manage construction projects efficiently. Our implementation of digital twin technology creates a virtual replica of physical assets, ensuring optimal performance, predictive maintenance, and lifecycle management, further enhancing the efficiency and sustainability of our projects. Trusted by over 100 global clients, including industry leaders like Tata Projects, Hyundai, ASBL, Lodha, K Raheja, Brigade, Pentaocean, and L&T, our commitment to excellence is unwavering. Our clients' success stories reflect our dedication to delivering top-tier results. Our team of 300-plus experts collaborates to bring your vision to life. With 300-plus successful projects across 7 countries, we combine global expertise with local insights to exceed client expectations. At Arth, our values of discipline, openness, learnability, ownership, and inclusion drive our success. We believe in pushing the boundaries of technology to deliver exceptional results for our clients. Arth, your partner in pioneering the digital transformation of construction. Visit us at Arth Team to learn more.